privacy, your papers, is what they did at the FISA court. Where the hell is Attorney Durham? Where is this guy? He's supposed to be investigating the fact that the swamp, the FBI, James Comey, Clapper, no doubt, and the rest of them were basically spying on their political opponents, lying about it the whole time and spying on them with an illegal FISA warrant based on fraudulent information they knew to be fraudulent. This is what third world dictators in Nicaragua do. And the Attorney Durham, I have no idea where this U.S. attorney is. He's supposed to be investigating this to give us an answer and bring charges, but have they gotten to him too? This is why this is so threatening right now. Now, you know, what's so darn threatening about it all? Well, it's threatening because the people at the top have a very, very good life. They get very, very cheap labor. So as wages are suppressed and inflation goes up, for the second straight month in May, wages were below the inflation-adjusted wage rate went down. But the globalists import cheap, not only just cheap labor, but also cheap products from slave labor in China. These are the people at the top. They don't want things to change. So you wonder why Kamala still hasn't made it to the border? It is deliberate. They want open borders. It's good for the top and the elite, the people who are making the money. This is the danger of it all. I think Daryl Issa was on not long ago talking to Sandra Smith on Fox and had to say this about the immigration program.
She's going to see that the message that's being sent based on the policies of this administration are clearly saying to a young man, don't come here looking for a job, bring a family and stay. And that message is, in fact, much more of a conflict than she might realize. People who are coming as family units, because coming alone as a worker, which is historically what most people do in Israel,